Good morning, everyone. We are starting with chapter number 5, Fun with TuxPaint. TuxPaint, how to use TuxPaint, how to download and open TuxPaint, that we have already seen in the previous chapter, right? Abhi, now in this chapter, we will learn how to use the tools of TuxPaint. So we have many different tools of TuxPaint. इनको कैसे use करते हैं, that we will understand in this chapter. So I am opening TuxPaint. Wait, I'm not opening it in full screen. Okay, so we are using this Tux Paint. I don't want to use it on full screen. Okay, beta. So first tool is paint tool. Using this paint tool and using these brushes, these are the different types of brushes which you can use. I can if I wanted to make some stars, I can use the star tool, and you can choose a color, and then you can make some stars like this. So this was paint tool. Next is line tool, using which you can draw anything from your side. You can make the lines. uh, this is line tool, and now you have to choose key which type of line you are going to draw. I am going to draw a triangular shape line. So like this, I can make a triangles in a straight line. Similarly, if you wanted to make a simple straight line, you can draw it like this. It will help you to draw a simple straight line. Like if you wanted to make some arrows in a row, then you can use it like this. All arrows will appear in a straight row. Next tool is text tool, using which you can type anything on your screen. Like here I wanted to write Tux Paint. With the blue color if you wanted to write, or purple color you wanted to write, so that is your choice how you are going to write. Next is after that, next is label tool, using which again you can type, but this time you are giving a heading to something. If you wanted to give heading, you can choose different font styles also. I can choose writing style this one, and then I can type like this. Right? Next is fill tool, using which you can fill a color in the background of the page. So let's say I wanted to fill a color, so I can use fill tool for this. Magic tool, now magic tool is very useful. Let's say आपको इस triangle shape के अंदर blocks printing करनी है या blinds बनाने हैं, then you can use magic tool. Blinds आप पूरे पेज पे बना दोगे ऐसे करके. You can make the blinds on the whole page. You can make the bricks also. आपको पूरे पेज पे bricks वाला पैटर्न बनाना है. You can just move your mouse like this and it will make a pattern of bricks. Wall will be created in the background, right? Same if you wanted to do something else like हम बनाते हैं. I am taking a new page right now. White color page I am taking. And आपको waves बनानी है या grass बनानी है. You can use this tool to make the grass. अब flower बनाना है हमने. We can make the flower. आपको color change करना है. Flower का purple color का flower बनाना है. You can make a purple flower like this. You just have to click on your screen and automatically it will create the, the object for you, right? Next is now, let's say I wanted to make waves. So I just have to move my cursor on my screen in the wave or the shape which I wanted to draw. It will make a pattern like this on the whole screen. Clear? Next is now I wanted to make rainbow on the screen. So I can use like this. If I wanted to make a rain track, you can use it like this. Clear? Similarly, we have an option of raindrops also. You can draw the raindrops. Right? Same here with the snowballs and snowflakes also. You can make the snowflakes and snowballs like this. Right? Okay, again I'm taking a new page now. Next tool is after magic tool. We have seen so many things in the magic tool. You can make the rain tracks like this. You can give a ripple effect to something. Ripple effect means जैसे आप water में देखते हो waves आती हैं. So that is same as ripple effect. ठीक है? And you can make the squares also like this. You just have to move your cursor and automatically it will fill the area with these squares. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर मैजिक टूल. नेक्स्ट इज अंडू. अंडू मीन्स जो काम हमने अभी किया है, आई वॉन्ट टू गो, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू फाइनलाइज इट, आई वॉन्टेड टू रिवर्ट इट बैक. जो जैसे पहले था वैसा ही चाहिए, बिल्कुल सेम. अभी जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली किया, आई वॉन्टेड टू रिमूव ऑल दोज चेंजेस. दैट इज अंडू. इफ आई प्रेस अंडू तो जो भी अभी मैंने स्क्वायर बनाए थे इट विल गेट रिमूव्ड. आप दोबारा से प्रेस करोगे अंडू तो उससे पहले जो आपने काम किया था दैट विल गेट रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम योर स्क्रीन. एंड रीडू का मीन्स आई वांटेड टू ब्रिंग इट बैक. तो आपने जो लास्ट डिलीट किया है वो वापस आ जाएगा. दैट इज रीडू. नेक्स्ट इज इरेज. यूजिंग दिस इरेजर टूल यू कैन रिमूव वॉट एवर यू हैव डन ऑन योर स्क्रीन लाइक दिस. ठीक है. न्यू तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. यूजिंग न्यू वी कैन टेक अ न्यू ड्राइंग टूल, न्यू कैनवस वेयर वी कैन हैव आवर ड्राइंग्स. Open tool is to open the projects which you have already saved. Like I have saved all these projects, so I can open any of the project using this open tool. Clear? Similarly, for saving a project, you have to click on this save button, and for printing, you have to click on this print tool. And then, if you wanted to quit or come out of the screen, you can click on this quit button. So these are the different types of tools which we can use. Next is now what else we have to do in this chapter. Line tool we have seen, eraser tool we have seen, shape tool is left. Shape tool. Let's check the shape tool. Okay, here it is. I'm taking a new file. This is shape tool. If you wanted to make some circle or square or any other shape, you can make it with the help of shape tool. Star shape is there, and then you can fill color in it using the fill tool. Like this, you can make different shapes and you can fill color in it, right? Next is, what else is left? Shape tool also we have seen, then text tool also, magic tool also I have shown you, stamp tool is left, undo redo we have seen, saving your drawings and opening your drawings also we have seen. So these are the tools available without downloading any stamps in your computer. तो अगर let's say आपके पास computer में you are not able to successfully download the stamps, then you can create at least these types of designs using TuxPaint. I'm creating a small page or a story without using any stamps. So first I will take a shape. I'm going to take a triangular shape to make a house. I will choose a brown color for this. So I'm taking a new file. Brown color. Okay, let's make a square first. Rectangle बनाते हैं. Make one more. Square नहीं, we want rectangle only. Undo करना है. अब ये जो हमने draw किया है इसको undo करेंगे. तो we will press this button of undo. Rectangle. थोड़ा सा नीचे बनाना था. So again we are going to undo. थोड़ा सा और नीचे. Okay, let's draw it here. Undo. Now it is perfect. Now let's take a triangle and draw it above it. तो बहुत बड़ा और बहुत दूर हो गया. Undo. Now it is fine. Okay, so we have drawn something like a hut. I can also make a door. Okay, now let's fill color in this. Or you can use a bricks pattern also using the magic tool. Bricks. Fine. Now let's make some blinds. No, not blinds. We can give some other effects. Different types of bricks we can take with a different color and we can make it here. Undo. This is very big in size. This one only with this color. Okay. Now for the triangle area, I will fill color like that. Okay, so we have given the color. इसमें हम change कर सकते हैं color. Now we can draw some trees using the magic tool again. Let's make some grass and flower. Now flowers. I'm going to make some flowers of red color. And some of purple color. Then I'm going to make a railway track also. And a rainbow also. So let's make a rainbow first. Then tree. Is it a tree? No, nothing. There is some. It is something else. Undo. Press the undo button. Change the background color. Let's make it green. Fill. I am taking this light green for the background. Okay. Now go to the magic tool again. Make a partition of a line with the blue color so that we can make a river. Arrow. Okay. Arrow nahi, we have to draw a line. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम ब्लू कलर कर देते हैं. Take a fill bucket tool and choose light blue color or whichever color you wanted to choose. And fill it completely like this. Now we have made a, you can also make it as a road. So you can, for that you can choose a different color. आप ये वाला color ले सकते हो road के लिए. And now what I have to do is I have wanted to make some using the magic tool. I wanted to make it a railway track. I wanted to make a railway track here. Okay, fine. Now I wanted to insert snowflakes in the whole scene. So click and the snowflakes will be inserted. You can type a message also. Happy winters. Right? आप मैंने पर्पल कलर से लिखा है. आप you can take a darker color because it is not visible right now. ठीक है, you can take a different color and then you can write happy winters. or you can write it here also. It is your choice, and you can complete a scene, a picture without using any stamps. ठीक है, तो ये तो हमने stamps के बिना एक scene create किया है. Now let's make a beautiful scene with the help of stamp tool. I'm going to click on new, take a new file, open it. This is stamp tool. Using stamp tool you can do almost everything. तो here I am going to take it as a green color background. लाइन ड्रॉ कर देते हैं पहले से ही. हम यहाँ पे रिवर बना देते हैं. Make it a river. Using fill tool I am going to fill this color. और इसको या ग्रीन ले लेते हैं, इसको स्काई कलर का ले लेते हैं. Make it a road. Then I am going to make it a light blue color. Choose a lighter blue color of sky shade from here and then fill it. Now I'm going to take a stamp tool. Okay, from here these are the different types of houses which we can insert. So I am going to insert this type of house. You can make a size bigger, right? Now I am going to insert a car. Sun also we can insert. Let's insert the sun. Now I'm going to insert a car. इसका हम रोटेट करके ऐसे बना देते हैं, कार. Now let's add some birds here. You can also add some more houses or these symbols if you want. I'm going to insert few birds. Peacock ले लेते हैं एक. ये तो बहुत बड़ा है, इसको थोड़ा छोटा करेंगे. Okay. Now let's insert some other birds. Make it little smaller. You can insert an aeroplane also. Here it is. I'm going to make a railway track also. Using the magic tool. Undo. If you wanted to, you can also insert a train. Mm. Or a small engine on this track, and you can complete a scene and you can write something like this with this red color. I will write. Clear? So you can create a story with the help of all these stamps. And then finally save it. No need to give any name. And again, if you wanted to open that page, how you will open? Go to go to open and choose a scene which you wanted to open. These are the two scenes which we have just created. Earlier, I have created this scene. You can make a scene like this also, ocean scene. You can make something like this also, right? So these are the different ways using which you can create different types of scenes using Tux Paint. I hope it is clear to everyone.